Innovation is happening all around us, no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a closer look at some of the groundbreaking technologies being developed. First up, we head over to the UK, where a robot is redefining what it means to be a chef. Researchers from the University of Cambridge have trained a robot to taste food like a human. This clever machine mimics how saliva and digestive enzymes change our perception of flavour as we chew. Imitating food at different stages of the chewing process, the team whipped up batches of scrambled eggs with varying textures. The robot tasted each dish using a probe. All of this helped the robot chef to adjust the saltiness of the meal, bringing us one step closer to a robot that can cook a dish humans actually enjoy. The only thing that's missing are the chef's whites. From the UK to a port town in Poland, where sunreef yachts are showing the green side of boating. Built using sustainable materials and with smart energy management, these yachts offer environmentally conscious cruising. Their defining feature are the solar panels, which are fully integrated into the body of the boat. The maximized surface area enables extreme solar power, meaning massive fuel savings and minimal CO2 emissions. This eco-friendly yacht also has the lightest batteries in the industry for cleaner, more efficient cruising. On board, you can truly be at one with nature. Lastly, we head north to Sweden for a lesson in road safety. Despite women representing half of drivers, the test dummies measuring the safety of passengers in a crash have all been designed for men. According to the University of Virginia, this means that women are 47% more likely to be severely injured in a car accident. Finally, women are getting a test dummy designed for their bodies. Using this dummy, researchers are able to measure how the force of a crash impacts a woman's physiology, so car manufacturers can create vehicles that are equally safe for women. This research has the power to shape the way cars are designed in the future. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.